So the first time I had lentils was, or lentil soup was in Austin, Texas. I think it was in West Austin, Texas, with two amazing people that invited me to a family's house to try that for the very first time. So now I'm making lentil soup with a combo of pearl barley. So now I'm out harvesting ingredients. This is another outdoor experience, by the way. So now I'm looking for some herbs. I guess they weed whip today, but look like they've also been harvesting it pretty heavily. That's what I'm looking for, cilantro. So I'm trying to make something hearty for supper this evening. I was trying to combine it with a traditional food item here that's pretty popular in the great nation of Belize, which is boil up. And in the boil up they normally do a thing that's called drownded man. I don't know how to make it, so I was hoping to get some assistance there, but we'll see how it works out. I had some here, but I guess when they cut the grass they weren't paying attention and it got cut. Yeah, they all got cut. So like you can use this in your seasoning for your beans, your stew, soups, barbecue, even your rice. Yeah, so I'm gonna wash these bad boys and add it to my soup. I just stumbled up to a little nicer bed over here and harvest a couple more over here. I think this might have been discovered or given to us by the Mayas, but I'm not 100% sure, and I'd have to do some research on it. They claim that if you want this to be consumed on high heat and you want to be able to eat it within an hour, you got to cook it for like 20 to about 15 minutes on high heat. So there you go. I just add a little bit of water to maybe just help for the boil again. So part of my childhood / teenage years, I was vegan. I was also a Rastafarian, and that opened my culinary world to me. So I was exposed to eating different types of things, and this is the reason why I eat the way I eat. And that lifestyle also made me become more health conscious, and I pay more attention to what I eat, and I try to have more variety to my diet. Stoke the fire a little bit and rearrange my wood. I'm eternally grateful for the access of this, because I do have a wood burning stove that I can use to cook, but that bugger is heavy. It generates electricity, and I got to put it on the ground because I don't have a surface that I can set it on to help make sure it's easy on my body. So I'm eternally grateful for the access of this open area and doing open fire cooking, fire heart cooking. This is what we call here fire heart cooking. And all Belizeans from my generation and onward, which is the older heads, were exposed and experienced open fire heart cooking. So we're right at roughly it's about to be like 3 or 4 minutes, and we're about to be like 20 minutes of it being steamed at high temperature. Then after it's being steamed at that for high temperature for 20 plus minutes, you got to put it at medium high and do medium high for 10 to 15 minutes as well. So cooking at a high temperature, you got to check for water so it doesn't burn. It's needing some water right now. So this is what I add to it. A little bit of that, coriander, some of that. I believe this is a spicy masala. This is the lentils. Add that right there. This is my cook oil, some cumin seed. And I did add that to it. I got an important phone call coming in, and I'm making a video at the same time. Wow. Oh, that was a surprise. I did not plan and organize this one well. I didn't add any salt because I used that soup ingredient, so I felt that it was pointless to do that. So I'm just gonna have to add salt when it's finished. I think I got maybe another 30 minutes more to go and it should be finished. I gotta do, like I said, 10 to 15 minutes high boil, and I'm on that point right now where I'm getting ready to do the 10 to 15 minutes medium high boil, steam or whatever it is. And then from there I gotta just drop it down to low and just let it simmer for another 20 minutes or so, and it should be golden and good to go. No salt again. I haven't added any salt. So while this is doing its thing, I went and grabbed a couple more little stumps to put in here, more firewood, just to have it ready and add it as needed to get that strong solid 10 minutes of medium high. Got her going. So let me think, guys. Have any of you guys had lentils before and pearl barley? If you ever had it before, what you think? State in the comments. This is a vegan pot of soup as well. Yeah, so it's a vegan soup right here.